Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G50, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. And to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel where you will find your toggle for this. So for me it's on the second page right over here. Once you find it, simply tap on it, select start, and this will give you this tiny overlay, start the countdown from 3, at which point it will start recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded. And quickly going to the toggles right here, we can enable the front-facing camera. There we go. We can also enable microphone, and that's about all we can do. And any kind of application that you will open will be recorded, assuming it has internet. So there we go, this will be a good option. So there we go. And once you're done recording, you can tap on the square to stop it. Now, for the people that will try to use the screen recording to record things like Netflix, I will tell you don't bother, it does not work. The only thing you'll get is a sound from it. That's, I assume Netflix does not have any kind of way to access the settings for sound. That's why it's getting recorded. But in terms of screen, all you'll get as a visual recording is just a black screen, and that's it. Now going back to the recording that I've captured, you can find it in your Photos application. And as you can see, it's right at the top right here. And select, got it. And it's already playing, so I'm just gonna let it run through. So, as you can see, this is how you would record the screen on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.